So friends, let's see these lovely eggless koftas. Now here I've taken 1 cup of boiled kabuli chana or garbanzo beans and I'm just going to mash them up. You can also mash them up or grind them in your mixer jar till you get this nice coarsely ground mixture. To that I'm going to transfer this to a bowl, a mixing bowl. And to that I'm going to be adding 2 medium-sized potatoes that are boiled, peeled, and I've grated them using my cheese grater. You can also substitute these with sweet potato. Now I'm going to add 1 onion that I've sliced and caramelized, 2 tablespoons of thick dahi or curd or yogurt, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, or you can also use cheese spread, like I'm using the Amul cheese spread. Now I have some spices. So here I have 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, cumin powder, and some chaat masala. I'll leave all the ingredients in the description box below. Add that to the mixture. And here I have a mixture of coriander leaves and mint or pudina that I've washed well, dried well, and chopped up really fine. Now just give all of this a mix. Now I'm going to add about half a cup of breadcrumbs so that it binds everything together, since this is an eggless recipe. Give it a good mix. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste. Again, mix it up really well. Now onto a plate, add about half a cup of breadcrumbs and half a cup of grated cheese. Now I'm just going to scoop up 1 tablespoon of the mixture. And then I'm going to roll it up into these long cutlets or croquettes. And then I'm just going to mix the cheese and the breadcrumbs well together. And I'm just going to roll these croquettes in with cheese and breadcrumbs and set them aside. You can also keep, after you make all the croquettes, you can keep them in the refrigerator for about half an hour till they set well. And then shallow fry them, or if you can shallow fry them immediately too. So form all the croquettes and set them aside. And now you're just going to shallow fry them. I'm shallow frying them in olive oil, but you can use regular oil, or you can also use ghee or clarified butter. And you're going to shallow fry them till they're nice and golden brown on both sides, and enjoy this with some lovely tomato ketchup. Do try out this recipe. I'm going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.